Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, the best time to drink hot chocolate to avoid a blood sugar spike. Hot chocolate is often high in sugar and can cause a blood sugar spike, so low sugar hot cocoa recipes can be a healthier alternative. The best time to drink hot chocolate is in the morning or afternoon, as your body is better able to regulate blood sugar levels early in the day. Exercise and consuming protein-rich foods can also help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent spikes when drinking hot chocolate. Repeated blood sugar spikes from consuming hot chocolate can be harmful, increasing the risk of diabetes, insulin resistance, weight gain, high blood pressure, and other health issues. Lighter exercise before drinking hot chocolate is better than intense exercise right after, as it can help manage the blood sugar impact. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.